Storefront Subframe has a patent-pending modular interlocking jamb design that's really the breakthrough that makes the entire system possible. Traditional jambs are a one-piece unit that requires the final door frame to be in place before any storefront work can begin. Our two-piece design splits this into two components. One piece can be installed with the stock-length storefront material, while the other piece accommodates the final fabricated door frame. These pieces interlock with a precise connection that maintains structural integrity. What this means for construction is that you can install adjacent storefront framing, side light glass, and transom glass completely independent of the final door delivery. It transforms storefront construction from a linear, sequential process into a flexible, modern approach that adapts to real-world constraints. Visit our website at Kawneer.com to learn more.